Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're unboxing something truly special, the Infinix Note60 Ultra Pinifarina Black Edition. This isn't just a phone, it's a collaboration with the legendary Italian design firm behind the Ferrari's most iconic supercars, so let's dive it. First, the box design. Unlike the regular rectangular mobile phone box, this time they provide a high-end suitcase box. We need to unlock the two buckles on left side and right side. You can find the package. Echoes high-end automotive luxury. And the matte black box with red accent lines. Reminiscent of Italian sports car. So just like open the book, we check the stuff inside the box. After we open the box, the smartphone is just in front of us, placed in the middle of the basement, the box basement. Also at the left and right side, they have another two packages. So first from the left one, the mobile phone sticker, auxiliary clean kit, and also, the special edition cable and the earbuds, I think the earphones. This is the cable, and also they include a capable earphone in the package. Whoa, black color. For the high-end product, is sad to see the front included the earphones, especially for the capable earphones. So this is the very special part. And also we can find the wireless charging dot. Circle round charging dot, and there's another package, small box. Here we find the SIM card ejector. It's customized. Also, it's the car shape, like racing car shape. So this is pretty cool. And this is the element from the Pinifarina, I think. It's from this super famous racing car type brand. And also we provide a carbon fiber smartphone case. And this is a charger, Type-C to Type-C cable included, and this is the charger. And support maximum 100 watt GaN charger. It's carbon fiber accent, and this workable USB-C cable, and also the premium leather case with red stitching, and even a miniature Pinifarina car race car model that double as a wireless charging dot. So this is how you do a premium products. And yes, we can put the charging dot to the car-shaped modular model, and then get the wireless charger. And this is dot, is a Type-C dot. So all stuff inside the left and right side, right box, we have checked. And the last one is today's highlight. I think before I check the device, I will say the box is a mini minimalist masterpiece. The matte black with a red racing stripe and the Pinifarina logo embossed in silver, in the brand's Italian heritage. And this is all stuff inside the case, earbuds, cable, charging cable, charger, customized SIM card ejector, the racing car mode, wireless charging dot, and also the smartphone. The packaging already set the tone, matte black with a supple fiber texture, and the phone is wrapped in a customized dust bag with the Pinifarina script. Let's take it out. 200 megapixel ultra resolution camera and 100 times zoom. Wow. Okay, this side is not. Okay, so from this side, the phone is in front of us. Well, this is the Torino black finish, exclusive to the Pinifarina edition, and the entire gear is a single sheet of Corning Gorilla Glass Victors curved seamlessly into a aerospace-grade aluminum frame. No camera bumped, just a flat, sculpted surface inspired by supercar aerodynamics. Okay, so let's check the phone. Whoa, so this is a 7.9mm thin and 220 gram device. It feels solid but not heavy, and the frame have a brushed metal finish, and the front is protected by Gorilla Glass Victors 2. And at the left side we can find the Pinifarina logo. At the right side there's a it's a sensor to detect your health. So this is also a special features from this special edition. The front side is just like the normal phones. I think the real star is the back, and also we can find this time to use the customized UI to redesign the main feature, the main icon, and also we can go to settings to check more information about the device. It's powered by the XOS from Techno, Infinix, and Dimensity for 8400 Ultimate processor for nanometer producing technology. 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, UFS 4.0, and LPDDR5X. The XOS is based on the Android 16, 7000 mAh battery with 100 watt capable fast charging, 50 watt wireless fast charging, and also the 1.5K 144Hz refresh display, 6.78-inch AMOLED screen, 1.5K screen resolution, and stunned by GBL. Let's get a peak brightness 4500, and also it supports global satellite calling, connectivity, and special features. Okay, the first one is the real screen. There's a pad. We can find there's a dog. Okay, cannot touch. And we can go to the shortcut to turn on and turn off the electronic pad and the second screen, and also we can adjust the metric display, and we can activate the metric display. Whoa, we get the red line. And this floating tail light LED breeze when charging or receiving calls, just like a supercar's brace light. And this is also a very clever design. The dot metric display is hidden under the camera module, and also it's integrated a second screen with a customized animation. So this is pretty cool for the camera zone and for the back design. Okay, next I'm going to show you the another features. It's the health detector sensors provide at the right side of the frame. It means it can detect your health and give a suggestion. Okay, press with phone, and here is a sensor at the right side of the phone. Okay, we can find it here. You just need to press your finger here and keep still, then start measuring. Okay, so prepare to measure, and after 32, I think after 32 seconds, you get a report from the device, and you can check your body health. Okay, 15, 13, 10, 9, 8, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Whoa, so this is it finished, and this is a report of my body. Health advice, heart rate, blood, oxygen. Okay, it's give you a pressure, a stress detector. Okay, So according to the 4 main directions they can get, they have some corresponded suggestions for you, and you can click finish, and then you get a chart. Okay, so it's pretty cool, and this is the first one I find with a health detector. And for the next part, let's go to the camera part. This time we use a triple camera setup. It's a 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, 80 megapixel wide angle. And for 200 megapixel main camera sensor is from Samsung HPE sensor. With this sensor, we can get the very detailed of the object, and you can zoom in and see individual. Colors are natural, not over-saturated, and dynamic range is excellent, with no blown out scout or dark shadow. For the portrait mode, they use the AI to create natural bokeh effect, and the background will be automatically blurred smoothly. And for the periscope telephoto, it has a 3.5 optical zoom, 7 times lossless zoom, and 100 times digital zoom. At the 3.5 times zoom, perfectly sharply, and after 7 times zoom, you can still read the time, read the words, and also the details. Even at 100 times zooms, it is usable for social media, and also that is impressive for the camera part. And also for the 200 megapixel sensor, the low light performance is also nice. We can show this later. Okay, let's take some sample pictures, and we can switch from different mode. Okay, let's go to dark place to check the low light performance. It brings pixels to 2.2 UM, so it captures more light. This photo was taken in a almost darkness. In fact, it has very few noise. The details is also clean. We can check the sample qualities later. Colors, natural, a bit warm, yes. So it is good for the low light. And next, if we go to the pure dark environment, let's take another shoot to test it. Whoa, it's pure dark. Okay, let's try to use the night mode. Okay, it's not as good as I measured, just like the normal phones. For the pure dark environment, it's so, and for this one it's okay. Yes, for if you cannot use the zoom, if you use the normal mode, it's okay. You can also get some details and get the object. You can find the details to some extent. So this is a quicker test of the camera of the Infinix Note60 Ultra, and here are some pictures. You can check it. The picture in low light environment, and this is the normal light, wide angle. Yes, wide angle, and also to check the zooming. Okay. So this is the long distance camera test, and we can go to the desk to check the short distance test about the camera part. And this is in normal light. Okay, we can swipe from Ultra HD, air camera, portrait, straight, snap, super light. If I can find more here to test the video, the camera, air camera. Yes. Wide angle. Zoom in, and we can try to zoom into the maximum. This is 7 times. 7 times. Okay. Charger, SIM card ejector, and also we can go to the 100 times. So for short distance, this doesn't work. We cannot get details. But actually, for some other flagship camera model, we can get some details. To it's a short distance. Okay, so portrait. Okay. Yes. That's right. It's find more here. Slow motion, time lapse, dual video, super macro, super night. Okay, so this is another app side of the camera part. You can check the sample pictures here. Okay. Okay, so this is the camera part, and now we go to the last part. I'm going to show you the special charger, the wireless charger from this special edition, and this is designed by the Pinifarina, the top luxury Italian company. And let me show you the wireless charger. And for the Infinix Note60 Ultra Pinifarina Special Edition, it supports a 100 watt capable fast charging and 50 watt wireless fast charging. So according to the official news, around 50 minutes it gets the fully charger from 0% to 100%. This time for the battery is 7000. So okay, the Type-C to Type-C cable, and let's try to charging the device. Okay, so we can put it here, and okay, this place is better, and then we can turn on the power. Okay, whoa, it's charging now, and they have a special animation for the charging. Yes, this looks cool. Okay, let's do it again. So this is the charging animation, and we can put the smartphone as on the charger, and it will automatically charging. Okay, cool. Okay. Nice. And another thing interesting is the car-shaped charger. It's just like a basement, and also you can tear down around the charger to take it out. Like I showed you at the beginning of the video, the accessories we can get it out. The round charging part. So do you like this device from Infinix? Please comment and let me know your thoughts.